Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to optimize your Epic Games account. Doing this will help you prevent hackers from entering your account. First, head over to Epic Games. Once you are here, log into your account. On the top right, hover over your profile and click on Account. Now you'll be able to see all of your account information. What I would recommend is going to Payment Management and making sure you remove any payment info you have. This is just in case your account does ever get hacked, the hackers will not be able to make any purchases on your account. Then go to Password and Security and make sure that two-factor authentication is set up and turned on. This just sets an extra layer of protection on your account, so in case someone manages to get your password, they still won't be able to access your account due to the factor authentication. In case you think your account has been hacked into, click Sign Out Other Sessions and change your password. This will sign out any devices that are connected to your account from anywhere in the world. Lastly, if you have created an account for a child, you can add parental controls by heading over to the Parental Controls tab and creating a 6-digit PIN. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.